If you want to delete or remove any part of your video, so first of all you have to go to the application name is ucut, in which you can delete or remove any part of your video, and you can also do some extra editing. So you have to download it from Play Store and then you have to open it. So I open it here, and you can see the option here. You can see the option of plus icon, so you have to click here. Then you will see the option of new project, so you have to click here. Then you have to select that video. So I select the video here, this is the video, and then you have to click over there. After that you can see that here is the video in the app. Here you can see the video. If you want to delete any part of the video, you can also expand by the two finger. Then you can select the part. If you want, you can just drag the video and you can see from where you want to delete, from where you want to split and cut. So if I want to delete from here, so I have to select the video first. Then you can see the option of a split. You have to click on a split, and again you have to split at one more part of your video. If you want to delete this part, so you have to click there. Then you can see that there is a three part of the video: first, second and third. If I want to delete this, so you have to click here, and then you can see the option there, delete. Then you can delete, and now you can see that that part has deleted. And if you want to delete this part, you can also then delete. If you want to bring that back, you can click here, that video will be back. So by this process you can delete or remove any part of your video. You can do little, also you can do more editing here, like adjustment, volume, speed, caption, animation. There are more options in this application which you can use. So thank you for watching this video.